Floor work is another fundamental of the male striptease dance style and the Adonis dance method. Now, floor work isn't something you would really use in a club while you're partying or dancing out in a bar. However, this is a useful concept to know in this dance style, especially if you're a male stripper, if you're a performer or a dancer that's interested in learning this dance technique, or you just want to add floor work as another dynamic element to your performing repertoire. Understanding floor work as well is especially useful if you're also interested in doing lap dances as a powerful tool of seduction that you can add to your dating repertoire skill set. Floor work can simply be described as dancing on the floor. However, with this specific dance style, we do certain movements that are very, sexually suggestive. So we do lots of grinding, bumping, and thrusting movements on the floor, as well as lots of transitions and traveling moves. Now, I'm going to show you a quick little combo right now that's going to give you a little bit of an introduction on floor work and how you could use it. Now to begin, we're going to go to the right side of the room. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a knee slide into the middle, okay? We're going to knee slide on our right leg. So that means we're going to put our right hand on the ground, okay? And then our right knee just threads through this hole right here, okay? When we slide, we don't want to be putting too much pressure on our knee, whereas what we want to be doing is we want to be more so sliding on the outside of our knee / our leg area. And now if you're wearing shorts or if you don't want to put as much pressure on that area, you can also slide on the outside of your foot right here by applying more pressure to the outside of your foot. Most of your slide, you can actually have your hand on the ground and you just take it away at the last second. So you've still got a lot of your body weight, through that right arm. Let me show you how that looks right now. So you see how I pretty much had my hand there the whole time, and all I did was just slide around my hand as I put it on the ground. My body just rotated around it. So we're going to knee slide in, hand down, and across. So when you finish, you should be in this position right here. Now we want to do a type of a floor thrust that's not just isolated to the hips, but we want to do one that includes the whole body. Okay, so we want to bend our arms into this one, okay? Drop our body weight a little bit and then let our legs open up. Do a big circular movement, scoop around and bring the knees together, bring them in and bring your hips up. Now from here, once we've done that floor thrusting movement, I want you to then sit back. So push back with your arms and sit back into your toes. And then I want you to jump forward and catch yourself on your arms and then bring your left foot in the air. Like that. Okay? So one more time, that jump, push back and catch. Now from here, bend down to your chest, then lower the body to the ground. Good. Now from here, straighten the legs. I want you to rock your body weight over your left hip, and then whilst using your arms, rotate yourself around so you're facing the front. Now bring your feet in together and knees open first, okay? So knees open first, they go out, and then the hips follow upwards. As it goes up, close the knees and then drop your hip. And then I want you to repeat, but as you repeat it, push up and stand up. Okay? Now the trick with getting that last stand-up movement is, see how I've got a lot of my weight on my arms here, but when I do the push-up to the stand-up, I want to rock my body weight forward. And that's the little trick with doing that one, okay? And it also helps to give it a good push with your arms and get a bit of momentum as well to help you. And that's just the whole combo right there. So it's a pretty easy little combo. I'm going to talk to you about the counts now because the counts are always important. Now the counts go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then whatever you want to finish. 7, 8, 7, 8. It could be 7, 8, boom. Whatever you want to finish off that little combo, you go ahead and do that, okay? So, now that you know the moves, you know the timing, it's now time to put it all together and practice with the music. Let's go.